This question is asking what is the distance in units between the y-intercept of this equation, which is obviously a quadratic, and the y-intercept of the linear function that passes through these points. So let's first graph this function. You can type it in as f of x, or you can use the y. I'm going to use the y. X squared, excuse me, here we go, squared plus 7x minus 18. And since we're talking about y-intercepts, I'm going to zoom out a little so I can see where it's touching the y-axis. Looks like it's about there. Yes, where x is 0, so it's at negative 18. So next I need to graph these points, and it's a linear, and since it is a table, I'm going to add a table first. Let's get these points in. 5, 10, 16, 2, 11, 20, and 41. And when I zoom out, I can see the points, but I don't have a line. So keep in mind this is the blue one, so that's the quadratic. So far we have black points for that one, for the linear. So let's get an equation for this and plot a line. So y1 tilde, the tilde line, the tilde button is beside of the 1 to the left. You have to press shift and that button. And also after the y, we always have to include this 1, and it automatically makes it a subscript. y1 tilde mx1 plus b. Thankfully, it went ahead and graphed this. I'm going to click here and hold it, and I'm going to change the color to red just so I can see this a little clearer. So again, it's asking for the distance between the 2 points. Distance means I'm going to subtract. So this point is at 5, and this one crosses the y-axis at negative 18. So I'm going to do negative 18 minus 5, negative 23. That means that we're 23 away from negative 18 up to 5 to here, this y-intercept to this y-intercept. And if you want to zoom in a little more, and you could actually count from here all those points to there. You're going to go up here and then 5 more to give you 23. So your answer, this one is a free response, and the answer would be 23. Again, we plotted the quadratic first. It's blue. We entered in the table. It says it's linear. Therefore, we use y1 tilde mx1 plus b, and it's going to graph the line. It graphed it in red, and I zoomed in so I could see this point is at negative 18, and this point is at 5. So to go from there to there is 23 places. Distance is never negative, so we wouldn't use a negative answer here.